welcome back to my channel. I have a confession to make. I was not planning on filming today, but something happened while I was getting ready that I feel like I need to bring up before somebody else on social media does. But that is, I recently unboxed the BH Cosmetics foundation, and I've been using it for almost a week now. Something happened this morning while I was getting ready, but first let's take a look at the footage that I gave you before this of me unboxing it and using it in a full face review. Let's take a look. But let's see. Oh, so it actually opens up like this. Okay guys, this is new to me. I've never had a foundation have like a stick or a wand at the end. That is crazy. So it comes in this little like stick dispenser. So we're just gonna paint this on where I get started usually. Okay, you guys, so you all saw, this is how I opened it. I discovered this morning that it's a pop top. I've been using this for over a week and I have just barely discovered that it's a pop top. Now, although I am extremely embarrassed by the fact that I did not realize this sooner, like when I was unboxing or when I was doing the full face review, I think it's important to know that if you do something like this, it's okay to laugh at yourself. It's okay to think, I mean, you can only laugh at yourself, right? I mean, who wouldn't have thought to pop the top before twisting it? Not me, because all the foundation I get is usually a twist top. There's not a stick, wand in it, but when I saw the stick, I should have thought like, oh, I bet there's a nozzle up there. You guys, that's what happens. You get so excited when you're unboxing things and using things that you just don't realize that there's an easier way to do stuff sometimes. Anyways, if you like somebody that can laugh at themselves and not be as embarrassed as they should be, I guess, or I share my embarrassing moments with you guys, I guess is the best way to put it, be sure to follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and here, subscribe down below so that you guys know that you're not alone when it comes to figuring out how to use product. We're all new. We all are beginners. When you get a new product, it's new for everyone. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, be polished, wear polish, and a little superstition never hurt. We'll catch you guys later. Bye.